Imagine walking through a tropical island with lush green palms swaying. You look up into a tall palm tree, expecting to see birds. Instead, you see a giant crab climbing straight toward the top. Not a nimble monkey, and not a squirrel. A giant armored crab. With massive, powerful claws, it climbs over 60 feet into the air. Then, it tears open tough coconuts with incredible, raw physical strength. So why would a creature born for the beach choose this life? When most people think of crabs, they picture sandy beaches. They imagine rocky shores, or crawling across the deep ocean floor. But the incredible coconut crab broke every rule of its kind. As adults, these crabs spend almost their entire lives on land. In fact, staying underwater for too long can actually drown them. Over millions of years, they evolved from ocean-dwelling ancestors. They grew into one of the largest land-living arthropods on Earth. And once they conquered the dry land, they faced new challenges. Finding enough food to sustain their massive, heavy bodies. But food is not always found easily on the forest ground. Many tropical islands are covered with towering, majestic coconut palms. Their delicious fruit hangs far above, out of reach for animals. But not out of reach for the mighty, persistent coconut crab. Using its powerful legs, it firmly grips the rough palm bark. It slowly pulls its heavy, armored body upward, inch by inch. Every slow step upward requires incredible muscle strength and perfect balance. Some individuals climb more than 60 feet high into the canopy, carrying heavy bodies that can weigh well over 9 pounds. Watching this massive creature climb up a tree feels completely unreal. It looks exactly like seeing a military tank scaling a skyscraper. Reaching the hanging coconuts is only half of the extreme challenge. Now, it has to open one of nature's absolute toughest fruits. Its enormous, thick claws can generate one of the strongest forces. This pinch is powerful enough to easily crack thick, fibrous coconuts. They can break thick shells and crush hard, tropical forest fruits. Researchers found that larger crabs produce immense, unmatched biting forces. Their strength exceeds that of many mammalian predators of similar size. Against such incredible force, the tough coconut doesn't stand a chance. Despite their famous name, they do not survive on coconuts alone. These creatures are highly opportunistic, active foragers of the forest floor. They eat fallen fruits, scattered seeds, and various tough forest nuts. They scavenge dead animals, bird eggs, and anything they can find. And sometimes, they hunt small animals they can easily overpower. If any food is available, very little of it goes to waste. This flexible diet helps them survive on small, isolated tropical islands. But finding food in dense forests is another extreme challenge entirely. To solve this, coconut crabs evolved an extraordinary sense of smell. They developed sensory organs that work more like a terrestrial insect's. They can easily detect ripe fruit from surprisingly long, vast distances. Even in complete, pitch-black darkness, their sense of smell guides them. Yet, these terrestrial giants begin their lives deep in the sea. Female crabs must travel to the shore to release their offspring. The microscopic larvae drift with ocean currents for several long weeks. Just like marine creatures, they navigate the vast and dangerous ocean. Only later do they settle back onto the sandy island shores. As they grow, they gradually leave the ocean behind forever. It is a truly remarkable journey, from sea traveler to climber. Scientists study their powerful claws to better understand advanced biomechanics. This extreme climbing ability helps researchers learn how heavy bodies balance. Their incredible sense of smell may inspire new chemical detection tools. But today, their greatest threat is not another wild predatory animal. Habitat destruction, roads, and human activity have caused massive declines. Protecting them ensures we keep one of evolution's most extraordinary survivors.